by m to be equals to, I say let us put the value of c by m. So you will be getting x double dot c by m is 2 zeta omega n. So you will be getting the new equation x double dot plus 2 zeta omega n x dot plus omega n square x. Why it is omega n square? It is k by m. So guys, this is the new format of the governing equation. So this is the new format of equation of damped system. It is governing equation. Okay guys, so the roots of this equation we have seen. प्रतीक सर एक ऐसा सेशन लीजिए जिसमें पंप कंप्रेसर, डियर डेफिनेटली दो सेशंस वी विल बी प्लानिंग इन द जनवरी. अंकित ठाकुर, you will be getting, okay. Okay, you are saying it is not complete. Dear, it is complete in some of the topics like welding, casting, metal forming are completed. Rest parts are not there. Okay, they will be soon coming, don't worry. Yes. Nala Masa Kiran, sir, till now don't have interest to study Tom from yesterday. Okay, thanks dear for wonderful words. And I will say, if you will be joining the complete series, you will be in love with the complete mechanical engineering. It is not because of us, it is because really it is wonderful. But the problem is things are not taught to you as they are. Even if you have any hate with SOM, just see some of my lectures are there on SOM, there on stress strain diagram. You will get the real feel of strength of material. So guys, don't worry, now the new channel Mechanical Marvels is coming. There that will be totally dedicated to mechanical, and we will be having 3 sessions a day. So you can understand, you can feel that what are the things we are going to cover. When we can cover that much in qualified series, then what we can cover in complete channel. So guys, please subscribe that channel if you really want to get that complete content. Okay guys, so let us move further guys. This is something equation of damped vibration system. So if you are going to discuss after that, by having the values of zeta, we can divide the damped vibration system into 3 categories. We can divide it into 3 categories. Okay, so sure dear, I will be taking that. Okay, Imran, we will be sharing the link in the comment section after this session. You can join from that. Mechanical Marvels is the name. Okay, that will be starting working with the live sessions from January, but it is already made. Some video sessions are available there, but live session will be starting from the 1st or 2nd January. Sure Pratik, I will take that. For your concern, I will be definitely taking. So guys, when you are talking the value of zeta, based on the value of zeta, damped vibration systems are classified into 3 categories. One is over damped system, other is critically damped system, third is under damped system. Guys, this word is very important. Mind it, whenever you get critical damped, critical word is a very dangerous word. I will be sharing, don't worry, Nilamsa Kiran, I will be sharing the link of the channel in the comment section after the class. So don't worry about that. And from tomorrow onward, I will be having the link on the PPT. You can see from that also. Okay guys. So as I say, there are 3 types of system. Whenever critical word is coming, critical word is a dangerous word. I will be saying that. Why? If you see the previous old movies of 90s, there were at that time Amitabh Bachchan was considered to be angry young man. If you see those movies, they were having a scene of hospital. There the mother of hero was in very critical condition. Doctor says she is critical, and you have seen the nearby people start weeping. Doctor have not said that she has gone, but still people start weeping. Why? Because they got that feeling that she can go anytime. Why? Because critical word, guys, critical word makes the difference, creates the difference. Those differences are not of day and night. Those differences are of earth and sky. जमीन और आसमान के फर्क critical word लेके आता है. So guys, whenever you are going to say that critical word means the things are having so much difference before and after that point. I can give you the example. If you have seen in thermodynamics, there is a curve known as vapor dome. This is the critical point, and if you know, once GATE have asked what is the dryness fraction at critical point. At critical point, dryness fraction is undefined. Bala, hide here. So when we are talking about the critical point is a point before and after these things are different. When you are going to make some constant pressure line, guys, you will be having liquid plus gas, or liquid plus vapor and fully vapor here. But when you are talking about this point, you will be having liquid and vapor. This phase died after this point. So after critical point, you will never get liquid plus vapor. Similar to that, guys, critical point, wherever it is coming, it is going to do some differences for sure. Yes, so that's why whenever you use critical word, always mind this thing. Have you ever listened the critical word anywhere else? Yes. Have you ever listened the critical word anywhere else? Yes, guys, you have seen the critical path in the industrial engineering. You have seen the industrial engineering critical path. There you know that critical path gives you the maximum time, and that is the maximum time along the path, but this is a minimum time in which the project can be completed. Yes, guys, and at the same time, critical word is used manywhere, like in heat transfer. When critical word is there, you know, we have to work over critical point if we want to save the electrical component. Otherwise, heat transfer will be less and they can be burned out. And guys, at the same time, I will say, whenever we are talking about critical point, their heat transfer is maximum. So we operate below or after the critical point in case of turbines, because we don't want heat to be lost. Yes, critical velocity of shaft, that also we will see. Don't worry. Very nice, Avudla, Mr. Khan. Yes, very good, Aditya. Yes. Definitely we will see. Okay, fine. So guys, these are the three types of system. So when I am saying over damping zeta is more than 1, it means loss is more than the restoration. Guys, when we are talking about zeta is less than 1, then I will be saying that restoration is more than the loss. And when I am saying the critical point zeta is equals to 1, it will be restoration is equals to the loss. So these are the three cases we are going to discuss, guys. So first discussion will be for overdamped vibration systems. So guys, let us see what are the overdamped vibration system. Then we will be looking at the underdamped and other systems. In overdamped system, guys, obviously you know that zeta more than 1. So when you will be having zeta more than 1, you have seen the solution which was coming for alpha. You know that alpha 1 comma t is 2 is minus zeta omega n plus minus square root of zeta square minus 1 into omega n. Is it correct, guys? This is something you are getting, or 1 minus zeta square. What is that? Zeta square minus 1 or 1 minus zeta square? Yes, guys. Zeta square minus 1 or 1 minus zeta square? What do you feel? Zeta square minus 1 or 1 minus zeta square? Yes. Let us see how many of you have seen the derivation. Yes. Zeta square minus 1 or 1 minus zeta square? Okay, I feel nobody is answering that. Okay, let us continue then, if you are not interested to answer it or you forget it. So guys, when we are talking about minus zeta omega n plus zeta square minus 1 into omega n. So you can see here alpha 1 is minus zeta omega n plus square root of zeta square minus 1 into omega n. And when we are going to have alpha 2 to be minus zeta omega n minus square root of zeta square